Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting announcement to share with you guys. I feel like May has been the month of exciting announcements because my last announcement was that we finally took the initiative to sign up with the Disney Vacation Club, and that was really exciting for us. So of course the first thing that we wanted to do once we signed up for the Vacation Club was to book a Disney trip through DVC, and we did that, and we are staying at our home resort, which is the Beach Club, which I love so much. We're so excited to go back there. When we went in the fall, we really didn't have time to appreciate and enjoy the hotel itself because number one, we didn't know we were going to end up there. We ended up switching resorts because we just weren't happy with our experience at the Contemporary, so we wanted to switch. They moved us over to the Yacht Club, which is the sister resort to the Beach Club. They're kind of connected to each other. They're side by side, and they share the Stormalong Bay pool. And we got to spend a little bit of time at that pool, but not near as much time as I would have liked to. So now that we know we're going to be at the Beach Club and we know all of the amazing things that the Beach Club has to offer, we're definitely going to have some resort time there. So the exciting thing is we are going to upgrade to the 2-bedroom villa, which basically fits 8 people comfortably, and that's really nice. We're going to have the kitchen and the washer dryer. We're also going to have a couple of balconies, so it's going to be really nice to have our family be able to stay in more deluxe accommodations than what we're used to, and to also have some additional family members be able to join in with us. So I'm really looking forward to this trip. It's going to be a great time, and I'm finally going to get to see Toy Story Land, which I'm really anxious to go see that. We're going to be traveling in February, so it's still so far away, but after muddling through this winter and all of the horrible weather that we have had, I just feel like February is a really great time to escape to Florida. Hopefully the weather will be a bit warmer there. Maybe we'll even get lucky enough to use the pool. And I'm hoping to be there during the Epcot Flower and Garden Festival. So that's going to be a lot of fun too. I haven't done that in a few years now, and I'm looking forward to going back. They always do such an amazing job with their topiaries and the way that they have, like, I think Beauty and the Beast was one of my favorite ones. They just have these beautiful displays throughout all the parks, and Epcot really does a nice job, and they also offer a lot of great food and merchandise and lots of fun stuff. So that is a great time of year to go, and I'm really excited that we're finally back in the planning stages for Disney. You guys know there is nothing that I enjoy doing more than planning Walt Disney World trips, so now I can share with you guys more packing videos and itineraries and just maybe some of the new stuff that's coming to Disney, and I'll be able to share with you my dining experiences, and I just feel like I get to do it all over again, which is really exciting to me. And a lot of the fun is in the planning and preparation and the looking forward to a trip. So even though February seems very far away to me right now, I know it's going to be here before I know it, and I'm glad that I have something to look forward to and to kind of pull me through the dreary months of the winter. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. We are finally booking another trip to Walt Disney World, and I'm really excited to share with you both the planning and the trip itself when it does finally get here. And since we're traveling as first-time DVC members, I am really excited to also get to meet the woman who helped us out through the whole process. She was amazing. She was just so helpful, and I know that she often works right across the way from the Beach Club at the boardwalk. There is a DVC area there where you can meet with some of the agents and learn a little bit about the whole process. So I told her, you know, when we were going, and we're going to go meet up with her, and it's just going to be really nice to see her face to face because she was so helpful. If you guys watched my previous videos in regards to DVC, I didn't think we would ever get into the Beach Club. There was a 3-year waiting list for it, and she really helped me out a lot, and she was able to get us into the resort that we most wanted. So she was really so accommodating, and I'm excited to meet her on our next trip. Also, I am really excited to do, like I said, a lot of the things that I was not able to do on our last trip just because I didn't plan accordingly for our switch of resorts. So right across from the beach club is the boardwalk, and there's so many fun things to do over there, and we did go there a little bit. We went to the ESPN zone and had dinner, but there is another restaurant that you can have a character meal, and I didn't even realize that at the time. So I'm really psyched to go do this new character dining experience that I have never done before. So this is at Trattoria al Forno, or Trattoria al Forno. I'm not Italian. I'm not sure how to say it, but it is an Italian restaurant, and it's Rapunzel themed. So I'm really excited to meet Rapunzel. Rapunzel was my daughter Madison's favorite princess and favorite movie for the longest time, and she kind of changes it up every year, so I never know where she's gonna land with her favorite characters and princesses. Last year it just so happened to be Sleeping Beauty, but I've never done a character meal where you got to meet Rapunzel and Flynn Rider, so I think that's gonna be just fun because it's new to me, and I love experiencing new things in Disney, especially dining, because I feel like I always go to the same character dining experiences, so it'll be fun to change it up. And I am also really excited to spend a lot more time in the pool at Stormalong Bay. I'll be able to take advantage of the lazy river, maybe build some sandcastles, play a little ping pong at the ping pong tables, and there is a great bar there, and they make these, I think they're called cocojitos. So I don't like mojitos, but this is like with coconut water, and I don't know, it was just really good and really refreshing. So I am definitely going to be poolside, having a couple of cocojitos, and just like relaxing and enjoying myself, and just knowing that Epcot is just a few steps away. So if I am feeling like I just want to, you know, go have a nice dinner or a snack or go on Soarin' or whatever I want to do, it's right there. And we're also super close to Hollywood Studios with the new Toy Story Land opening. I think it's going to be fun to, like, what I'm going to do is, of course, I have the My Disney Experience app. I think we all use that when we're in the parks, and if you don't, you definitely should, because it just keeps you in the know of everything going on in the parks as far as line waits. You know, you can even order some meals from your phone. A lot of the restaurants have a like order ahead type of thing where you can pick up your food when it's ready. So that app is really, really important. But I can just like keep the app open and keep checking on certain rides. And if I see that the line's short, I'll just like run down the road to Hollywood Studios and go on the ride. So it's going to be a different type of experience than what I've ever done before. We're also going to get the park hopper passes, which I have not, I don't know if I've ever done that. I usually like to just commit to one park per day. When I was younger and just me and my husband went, we just liked to sometimes, you know, be there from open till close, and I just like to plan my whole day just one park at a time. But now, because we're so close to Epcot and Hollywood Studios, I really like the ability of being able to hop back and forth to different parks. So we're definitely going to upgrade this year to the Park Hopper Pass, and that's going to really make it a little bit of a different experience for us, just having that luxury of hopping around from park to park. It might make it a little more challenging for me because I am a planner and I like to have a very structured itinerary, and now just knowing that we can go like to any park at any time, I might have to back off on the hourly itinerary and just kind of let things flow naturally. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure how I'm gonna plan this trip exactly yet, but I'm really excited, and I hope that you guys are excited to see all of my new vlogs that I'll have next winter. I know it's far away, but I'm excited to make them and to share them with you. It was one of the best parts for me this year was being able to, and I know I feel like I've said this to you guys so many times, but being able to come home and put those clips together and kind of relive my vacation and share it with you guys. Like, I never wanted it to end. I just could not even have enough footage because I just loved reliving the moments and sharing it with everybody and kind of conversing with you guys back and forth. And thank you so much for all of you who have reached out to me via email and asked me questions about Disney. I am so happy to help anyone who has any Disney related questions. It truly is my passion. So if you're planning on going and you just want to know, you know, where you should dine with your children that are such and such an age, or, you know, what I feel are the best parks for small children, anything that you have to ask me, please do not hesitate. Go ahead and shoot me an email, because I am always more than happy to help guide you along on your Disney trip, because it's important. For a lot of people, it's a once in a lifetime experience, and you want to get it right. You do not want to screw up anything. You don't want to miss any important rides that your children really should be going on, because it's like their favorite character, or any dining experiences. Like, please let me help you, because I would be more than happy to. So anyway, that is it. I just wanted to keep you guys in the know. So I will have lots of other travel related videos probably just to include this summer. I'll have to change it up a little bit, because I don't know if I'll ever really run out of Disney content, because there's always something new and exciting happening in Disney that I can certainly sit down and discuss with you guys. But I do like to do my travel vlogs as well. So I have a Carnival cruise coming up this summer, which is going to be a lot of fun. We have cruised with Carnival many times, and it's something that we always enjoy doing as a family, and we always have a huge group of family and friends going. Usually when we go, it's like a big group of people. Our last trip, I think we had about 40 people. This trip, it's about 70 people, just friends and family and whatnot. So that's going to be a lot of fun. And we're also going to be going to Dollywood in Nashville. And I've been to Nashville before, but I've never been to Dollywood. So I am really interested to learn a little bit more about that. If any of you guys have been there or live in that area, I would love some tips and tricks if you want to leave it in the comments down below, because I really have no idea. That's totally out of my element. I know so much about Disney, but when you put me someplace different, I'm just kind of like a deer in headlights. I don't even know what to do or how to tackle any other park other than Disney World. But I guess I'll do my research on that as well. So we have a lot of fun stuff coming up this summer that I'm excited to share with you guys as well. But I am most excited to share with you our upcoming trip in February to Disney World, staying at the Beach Club as DVC members. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to follow me at Jen's Happy Home on Instagram, and please subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. I hope that you guys all have a great week. Take care. Bye.